Hi folks, are you excited? I'm super thrilled to bring this new episode to you. Hold on till the end of the video to know the secret mantras on effective weight loss. Watch this video to know more about weight loss pills and see if they have any magic in them. I'm Narendra Babu, founder of healthyv.in. I'm a certified health and wellness coach from California Institute of Integral Studies. I have a bunch of certifications. This is not about me, this is about you. Go ahead and subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get notified when a new video is uploaded. Visit our website www.healthyv.in to know more about us. So weight loss pills, the holy grail of wellness industry. Yes, today we are discussing about the shortcuts that are available for weight loss and is it worth giving them a try. Traditionally, achieving weight loss meant tracking your physical exercise, eating right diet, following a strict diet and staying on it for a period of time so that you achieve your weight goal. This is often a long drawn out process. However, there is always a temptation to do something to accelerate this process. We want to achieve results faster. So we look out for hacks and tricks. This is where weight loss pills grab our attention. So watch till the end of this video to know the secret mantras of effective weight loss without using weight loss pills. There are basically 4 types of weight loss pills that are available in the market. So let me list them for you. One is water pills. Second, fat blocker pills. Third, appetite suppressant. Fourth, fat burner or fat loss pills. Water pills. What are these water pills? These are also called as diuretics. Yes, they make you urinate more. The way these water pills help you to lose weight is by losing stored water in your body. Our body stores water with the help of electrolytes to maintain a proper fluid balance in our body. But when you start taking these diuretics, lot of fluids are thrown away, which will also include lot of electrolytes. So you will immediately notice a weight loss, but this weight loss is temporary. The moment you stop these pills and you start drinking enough water, you are going to get back all the weight that you have lost. This is not how weight loss works. So this also has lot of side effects. The common side effects that water pills have include low electrolytes, headache, dizziness, thirst, kidney failure, irregular heart rate and many more. So my advice, stay away. Next comes fat blocker pills. Fat blockers work by binding with fat in your food and not letting it get absorbed in your body. Is it right way to do it? This may sound cool because if you are not absorbing fat, you are reducing that many calories from your diet. That sounds cool. But what happens to the fat that you are eating? It goes through your colon, intestines, and you continue, you are not absorbing it, you are not breaking down it, you are not processing it. So there are a lot of side effects caused due to this. What are the side effects that you can experience is severe gas, severe bloating, fecal incontinence, and also some other side effects related to fat being in the stools. Apart from that, not just that, there is most important thing, it also reduces absorption of your good fats. Good fats or omega-3 fats, which are very important in maintaining a good lipid balance in your body, and it is very important to consume good fats. Good fats also are not absorbed. Along with not absorbing good fat, you are also not absorbing lot of fat soluble vitamins, which are very important in your hormonal functions. So my advice, stay away. Appetite suppressants. Appetite suppressants, they contain a drug called phentermine. Usually the phentermine stimulates the neurons in the brain to trigger a fight or flight response that shuts off hunger signals. See, this is usually as a evolution process, we produce these hormones to ensure that we are not focusing on things that are not important. Like for example, in the hunter-gatherer age, when you are hunting in a forest and you suddenly notice a leopard or a cheetah looking at you as its prey, then your fight or flight response kicks in. where it makes your hunger go down. All the blood is pumped to your head, so this makes your hunger signals numbed. So this is how it was used. But now if we use it to fight weight loss, to target weight loss, this is not right. The common side effects that are associated with appetite suppressants are dizziness, dry mouth, difficulty sleeping, irritability, nausea, vomiting, diarrhea, constipation. My god, the list is so scary. Apart from the above side effects, you are also at risk of getting addicted to them. Do you want to get addicted to something like this? So my advice, stay away. The last but not the least, this is most common used weight loss pills, fat burner or fat loss pills. Lot of supplement stores across the country stock these pills. These are highly marketed to give you instant results by burning the fat. Most of the people who go to gym are also given this. Some of the trainers do suggest their clients to take these pills to see faster fat loss and can notice muscles growing. So when we talk about fat burner or fat loss pills, there are a huge variety depending on the ingredients. Lot of ingredients mixed and matched to give you the fat loss effect. How does it work? The focus of these pills is to increase the thermogenic effect and increase the heart rate, which will lead to weight loss or fat loss, burning the fat. Your body starts burning the fat when there is a higher when your heart rate is higher, or when your thermogenic, that is body's basal temperature, is high, you burn fat. So this is what the intention of these fat loss pills are. So what are the common ingredients that are used for in the fat loss pills? Include caffeine, green tea extract, green coffee bean extracts, Garcinia cambogia, ephedra, and many more. There are a lot of things that are discovered and they get added into the fat loss pills. The judgment is widely open on the benefits of these supplements. It is not considered safe. However, the most common side effects are dizziness, restlessness, anxiety, irritability, heart pounding, headache, loss of appetite, nausea, vomiting, etc. The above side effects are enough to avoid them. So my advice, stay away. Now we have seen the different types of weight loss pills that are available in the market. So let us now and we also understand that all these are shortcuts which have side effects. So the way that we can achieve weight loss without depending on these, there are 3 secret mantras. Shall we discuss this? Yes. So before we step into that, subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to know about it. Like, comment, share. So the 3 common mantras, the 3 success mantras of weight loss is eating right, exercising regularly, sleeping well. Yes, 3 mantras that are evergreen and are going to help you lose weight in a very healthy way. These are the 3 success mantras of weight loss: eat healthy, exercise, sleep well. So this is what I would want to end this video with, and I'm excited for our next video. I'm sure you are also excited. Like, share and comment the video, and be my follow us on YouTube. Thank you.